Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're drawing Goku in his base form step by step using just a simple pencil. Stick around until the end for all the details, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. First, we're going to draw a simple vertical line. This will help us keep everything aligned and make the drawing process so much easier. Remember, keep your strokes light so you can erase or adjust later if needed. Now, let's shape Goku's face using these basic forms. This will act as the foundation of our drawing, so take your time to get it right. Next, we'll add 2 guiding lines. These will help us position the facial features correctly. Guidelines are super helpful, especially when working on proportion and symmetry. Now we move on to the details of the face. We start with the eye, making sure to capture Goku's intense look. Then, we add the nose and the mouth. Notice how the mouth is really close to the nose. This is key to getting his expression just right. Since Goku is facing slightly to the side, we'll only be drawing one eye. Now for one of the most important parts, his iconic hair. Goku's hair is spiky and dynamic, so be sure to exaggerate those sharp edges. We'll also add some extra details to bring everything to life. By the way, let me know in the comments, did you manage to find the hidden cats in this video? If you did, type Goku Power in the comments. That helps boost engagement and lets me know you guys are having fun. Alright, now let's refine our details, clean up any unnecessary lines, and add some final touches. And there we have it, our finished drawing of Goku in his base form. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what character you'd like me to draw next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. It really helps me bring you more awesome content. God bless you all, and see you in the next video.